What is the law of attraction? And more importantly, how can you use it to be, do, or have what you want in life? Be it love, health, money, or other things. Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. Welcome to the channel of self-development, spirituality, and magical endeavors. Today we're going to talk about the law of attraction, hashtag LOA. In this video, I will cover why you should learn about the law of attraction, what it's actually about, and 5 tips that'll help you manifest what you want more effectively. The timestamps for this video will be in the description box below. And without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. People often have one of the following reactions when they hear the term the law of attraction. The first type of reaction is, I kind of know what it means, but I'm not sure. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do or how to make it work. If that's the case for you, this video will give you more clarity. The second type of reaction is, LOA sounds more like LOL. It's just a bunch of woo-woo nonsense. If that's you, first off, you're watching this video. So I'm sure we can both agree that there's a part of you that wants to know more about the law of attraction. And think about it this way. If this was all just a bunch of mumbo jumbo, why would famous people like Oprah, Will Smith, Jim Carrey, Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande, and so many successful entrepreneurs and influencers around the world attribute their success to this art of manifestation? And wouldn't it benefit you to learn about something that helped them achieve and accomplish all those amazing things? So what is the law of attraction? Let's demystify it. The law of attraction is not some secret that's been kept from the public by some mysterious ancient organization. I know that sounds super cool, but that's just not the case. It's very present in your life. You're already experiencing this phenomenon. It's one of the laws of the universe. Just like gravity, when you drop something, it falls. The basic principle of the law of attraction is like attracts like. You attract what you are, not what you want. Now, what do I mean by what you are? Well, everything is energy. I am, you are, everybody is energy. And energies vibrate at different frequencies. You attract what you vibe with. In other words, what you're attracting into your life, what you're experiencing right now, the people, the things, the circumstances, good and bad, all vibrate on the same level of frequency as you. Your goals and dreams, however, vibrate on a higher level of frequency. So in order to manifest that goal, you have to raise your vibration to match that frequency. Now, if you're finding energy, vibrations, and frequencies hard to understand, think of it as switching TV channels or tuning into different radio stations. For example, if you're watching channel A but you want to watch a program on channel B, you're going to have to switch to channel B, right? So how do you raise your vibration and get to that ideal state? It starts with your thoughts. What are you focusing on? And I'm sure you've heard a lot of people say where your focus goes, energy flows. Your thoughts dictate how you feel, and the way you feel dictates the kind of actions you take, and your actions bring you the results you get in life. Now you're probably wondering, wait a second, Alice, aren't we talking about vibrations? What the heaven do thoughts and feelings have to do with vibrations? Well, different thought patterns and emotional patterns carry different vibes, and feeling is the conscious awareness of vibrations. For example, have you ever felt like someone has good vibes? The reason you feel that way is because you're sensing the quality of that person's vibration. Another example is when you think about someone you love, you feel emotions such as gratitude or happiness, and I'm sure that if you're really honest with yourself, you know the difference between instant gratification and true joy. When you feel that way, your whole being just naturally vibrates at a high frequency. And that's the quality of energy you're projecting out into the world. And since your outer world is a direct reflection of what's going on inside of you, that's the quality of energy you'll get in return. That's what you receive. Now let's do a little bit of reverse engineering. Your results come from your actions. You act certain ways because you feel certain ways, and you feel certain ways because of your thoughts. But where do those thoughts stem from? Your thoughts are formed because of your inner belief system, the way you perceive the world around you. It's a result of the environment you grew up in, your education, cultural standards, social standards, people you interacted with, basically everything and everyone outside of you, feeding you all kinds of information, thoughts, ideas, opinions, and beliefs, and you bought into a lot of this stuff. It's like this program that's running in your subconscious, and it dictates your habitual way of thinking, feeling, and behaving. Some people call this your paradigm. So if you want the law of attraction to work in your favor, you're going to have to do a lot of inner work to shift that paradigm, shift that inner belief system. And the tips I'm about to share with you will help you go within to do that inner work and change from the inside out. But before I start, if you've been getting value out of this video, give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get notified when I post new videos. Alright, let's start with number 1. Number 1, know your what and why. What do you want? What do you really, really, really want? And more importantly, why do you want it? You'll never get to a location if you have no idea where you want to go, like duh. So take the time, sit down, put pen to paper, and write down what you want. And if you have trouble figuring out what you want in life, I have a series called 7 Steps to Goal Setting where I take you through my step-by-step method of goal setting. I'll put the link below. You need to get really, really clear on what it is you want. For example, if you're trying to attract money right now, you can't just go like, hey universe, I want more money, because the universe will probably go like, sure, here's $1, problem solved, manifestation success. And you can't go like, if that's the case, then I want $1 million so I can do whatever I want and buy whatever I want. It's never about the money, and you still haven't answered my question. What do you want to do? What do you want to buy? What do you want? And by the way, if you're trying to attract money right now, I have a video on that. I'll put the link below as well. Number 2, constant focus. Keep your eyes on the prize, but don't get attached to it. Affirm what you do want. Focus expands awareness. So when you focus on something, you'll start to notice more of it. For example, if you're trying to get a Mini Cooper, you'll start to notice Mini Coopers showing up here and there and everywhere in your neighborhood all of a sudden. This isn't because there are more Mini Coopers in your local area. It's because your awareness of Mini Coopers has expanded. Number 3, take inspired actions. When your awareness starts to expand, you'll start to get ideas and notice opportunities that reinforce what you focus on the most. And chances are these things feel unfamiliar to you, and that's natural because your inner self is starting to sense things that you can't fully explain with their current level of knowledge and logic. And this is the perfect opportunity for you to learn to trust your intuition and that gut feeling. Allow yourself to be guided by your higher self, your spirit guides, angels, the universe, or God, whatever you believe in. For example, there's this one time I was at this airport and I thought to myself, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I could manifest a unicorn here? Because I love unicorns. A few seconds later, I felt this urge to walk forward a few steps and turn to my right. So I decided to follow my intuition. And when I walked a few steps forward and turned to my right, I saw a unicorn perfume on a shelf. It was an Anna Sui unicorn perfume, and I didn't know about that perfume. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. That was fast. The universe works in mysterious ways. Number 4, work on your self-image. Your life only gets better if you get better, so start seeing yourself as that ideal version of you. And a lot of this has to do with your self-confidence and your sense of worthiness. And you can improve your self-confidence and sense of worthiness through many ways. For example, if you're not confident about your skill level, you can learn and improve your skills. Working on your self-image is so important because if you don't see yourself as a person that belongs on that high level of frequency, even if you do reach your goal, it'll never last. You won't be able to stay there for long because it won't feel right. And If it doesn't feel right, you'll find ways to self-sabotage so you can get back to that level of frequency that feels right to you. For example, if you're trying to lose weight, but you think of yourself as someone who's fat and obese, then even if you take a diet and lose some weight, you'll find ways to get back all the weight you lost. Number 5, present tense. Live in the present moment. Appreciate what you have now and rehearse what you're manifesting as if everything you've ever dreamed of has already become your current reality. Live as if all your dreams have come true and challenge your reality to catch up. So those are 5 tips that'll help you manifest what you want in life more effectively. And if you have some law of attraction tips of your own, let me know in the comments below. Let's share some ideas. And there's one more thing I want to mention. When people talk about the law of attraction, they usually focus on acting as if you're that ideal version of you, acting as if all your dreams have already come true. But not a lot of people mention the importance of letting go and healing yourself. I think those things are very important because in order for you to fully transform your energetic, mental, emotional, physical, and vibrational state, you have to address your baggages and find ways to let go and heal yourself. You have to do some shadow work to understand what's going on inside of you so you can heal from within. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss my future videos. And type in the comments below, what kind of topics do you want me to cover in the future? And I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Thanks for watching. Bye.